Hiya. Right, it's the 12th of April. Can't believe we're nearly halfway through. And I'm really starting to think now that I'm getting a little bit behind. I've got so much in here to start with that needs to be out in the garden. But I've got my little friend here, so it's not helping. But is it, eh? But yeah, I think I've got a really busy week this week and had a fairly busy week last week. So I think I am going to be doing a few power hours during the week to try and catch up. But saying that, then I've also got my stuff here that I need to sow this month as well. Not need, some of it could wait, but are we comfortable yet? Right, let's start again. Yeah, I mean, I've got beetroot to go out in the garden already, but I want to get some more beetroot done. This could end really badly. And also some spring onions. Try and get a bit of a succession going. Same along with carrots. And I've also got some free ones there that came from Foster's. And hair. So they need to go in. And this month as well, I've got cucumbers, Carmen, and that. I didn't do that last year. I went for the La Diva, but I do like the Carmen ones, so I'm going to go back to doing those. And obviously gherkins, and that to pickle. I have calabrese that needs to go out. I mean, they're massive now. They're doing really well. So I want to sow some more of those. That's marathon. And also I'm determined that I am going to grow cauliflower and get a reasonable one this year. So I have got igloo. So I want to get some of those started as well. Then flowers, some more straw flowers. I want to get those done because there was a few come up and that, but I say that was a bit tricky. I don't know why this year. So I want to do some more of those. Calendula, because I suddenly realised I have got no calendula. Yes. Do you approve of those? And I don't normally do sunflowers because I'm not normally a fan, and I was offered some. And I said, no, I wouldn't bother. But I got these ones free in magazine. So I thought, well, I'll give those a go and then I'll see. If they do all right, then I might do some more next year. So get those on the go. But I've got petunias, lobelia, marigolds, lots of bits that all need dealing with. I still haven't finished pricking out my tomatoes either. I've done half of them. Now, in Ali, my rusty garden, I mean, I'll link anybody's details in the description below. She was sowing basil, and I said, oh, I hadn't remembered to get any basil for this year. So she said, oh, I'll send you some. Yeah, just a few. I mean, I've never even heard of most of that. Well, there's only one that I've actually heard of. So I'm not going to be short of basil. So thank you, Ali. That is really kind to send those. And then obviously it's bean sowing time. I have got a bag full of my own saved. They're Polestar. I do like those ones. But yeah, people are so generous. I've got Czar, and that was sent me, and now it's starting to chuck it down with rain. Polish Independence beans. They did fairly well last year, and that, yeah, so helpful. So I've got those ones. And I'm also doing Blue Lake. I've never done those ones before. So, but everybody says how good they are. So I'm going to give those a go. And another one I've not done before are pea beans. I have no idea. I mean, they're pretty beans. So if we can, there, lovely colour. So yeah, so a few different things this year, and I'm sure I shall come across other bits to do. But I was just going out to do the rest of my potatoes, but I think that'll hold fire. I don't know if you can actually hear that on the greenhouse, but that's all it's been all day. Tips it down, then the sun comes out, dries it all up, and just repeat. So I might go and do the rest of my tomatoes and get those done once I put the cat down. Hey, you're a little monkey, you, aren't you? Follows me everywhere now. Probably a bad thing, eh? Encouraging you. But anyway, yeah, so that will do for now, and I'll catch up with you very soon. Okay, take care. Bye.